Hello everyone, I am Darshan from ADS department, third year. Today we are going to see about solving non-linearity separable data with multiplayer perceptron, which is MLP. Let's see about this experiment. We solved using this in Python. Hmm, okay, let's see about the introduction. Introduction, we have experiment objective and scope. Let's see of the objective we need to implement and the challenges we are facing to about. We focus on famous XR problem, exclusive OR problem, which is known as XR problem, which historically demonstrated the limitations of single layer perceptron deliverables. The experiment requires a clear program implementation and detailed execution. Okay, let's see about the next. Understanding the XR problem. XR is a fundamental logical operation that yields a true output if and only if the inputs are different. Like see the truth table. If the input A and input B is 0 0, the output will be 0. If input A and input B 0 and 1, the output will be 1. And same as 1 0 means it will 1 and 1 1 means it is 0. And next, non-linear non-linear separable challenges. When plotting the XOR inputs against their corresponding outputs, we clearly see why a simple single line equation cannot solve this problem. Visualizing the data points. Let's visualize the data points. The 0 outputs 0, comma 0 and 1, comma 1 are grouped at positive corners. Another 0, 1 outputs 0, comma 1, 1 and 1, comma 0 are at two corners and impossible to draw a single straight line. And let's see about the solution. The solution is the power of MLP introduces hidden layer for deeper processing to solve this problem. The four types are hidden layers: feed forward architecture, multi-dimensional analysis, weighted connections. Let's see about. Okay. Solving XOR with a two-layer MLP. This is the diagram for the input layer. Now center is hidden layer and last one is output layer. First one is activation function. We use the activation function like sigmoid to restrict out the output values typically between 0 and 1. Backpropagation, the core learning algorithm that adjusts the weights of the network based on the calculated error. Okay. Algorithm breakdown. Let's see about the algorithm. MLP training of our XR classification. First one is you should need to initialize the inputs and weights. Okay. Next to forward pass. Next you are compute error and back propagate. And you need to update the weights based on the delta rule. And last one is iteration and testing. Okay. Okay, key Python code. These are the key Python codes. First one is initializing the parameters and weights, and we call defining the activation function sigmoid and forward propagation and backward propagation, and final one is training, which is go to iteration and the minimization loss minimization and prediction. These are the results. As shown by the plot, the less value decreases rapidly over the initial epochs and then stabilizes. Prediction output verification 1, comma 0 the output will be 1. 1, comma 1 the output will be 0. Same as XOR gate. Okay. Let's see about the last final one applications of MLP. First one we have used in image recognition. yeah, NLP, natural language processing, financial forecasting, which is a modeling complex market data and market prediction for the stock prices, and medical diagnosis also it is very useful. Thank you.